is very vast. It is very vast university, and nearly 4 million learners already joined, and they may be awarded. So once again, I am congratulating each and every participant for joining IGNOU. So now I request our regional director, Dr. P. Surbu Garu, please speak about the induction meeting, sir. Sir, sir, already I was requested, sir. Okay. So, sir is in another phone, so sir will join and sir will continue. Okay, friends. First, you can introduce yourself. Then only it may be useful for induction meeting. Your interaction is more important. So you need to interact with your friends and your colleagues, as well as regional center staff, as well as study center staff. Then only the induction meeting criteria will be fulfilled. So before our regional director, you need to introduce yourself. Sir, are you ready? Now I request Dr. Sirsaru sir, please speak about the induction meeting.
Good morning, friends. So I welcome you all
Good morning, sir.
to this induction meeting. And at the outset, wish you Happy New Year. And I welcome you all to the fold of Indira Gandhi National Open University. I am glad that you have taken admission in IGNOU. Venkat, somewhere it is resounding. Let's find out. So I welcome you to the fold of Indira Gandhi National Open University. So I welcome you all to the fold of Indira Gandhi National Open University, the largest university in the world. आज की डेट से आप जो दुनिया की सबसे बड़ा विश्वविद्यालय है उसी का छात्र बना है, छात्र या छात्रा। और रिसेंटली हमारा वाइस चांसलर सर ने ये बताया, इग्नो में हर साल लगभग 35 लाख स्टूडेंट्स एडमिशन लेते हैं और लगभग 36 लाख आलमनी हैं। तो टोटल 71 लाख स्टूडेंट्स का फैमिली है इग्नो में। तो दुनिया के सबसे बड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी फैमिली है। और इग्नो का जो कोर्सेस हैं वो वर्ल्ड में बेस्ट माना जाता है और जो आपको मटेरियल मिलता है वो फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज से भी एडॉप्शन लिया है। तो हमको कहना है जो यूनिवर्सिटी का राय है, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन एट योर डोर स्टेप, ये आपको मिलेगा और हम एश्योर करेंगे कि जो क्वालिटी में कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगा इग्नो में। जो बुक्स आपको मिलता है वो इंडिया की बेस्ट एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, वो बैठ के बनाया है और उसी को सेल्फ स्टडी मोड में कन्वर्ट कराया इग्नो ने और वो आप तक पहुंचाया है। और आप जानते हैं कि आज की जमाना कोविड के टाइम में हर चीज ऑनलाइन हो रही, उसी के तहत इग्नो भी एडमिशंस भी ऑनलाइन कराया और बहुत सारी प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन करा दिया। स्टडी मटेरियल को भी आपको बाय पोस्ट भी मिलेगा। यदि आपने डिजिटल मोड में चाहा है तो आपको ऑनलाइन मटेरियल अवेलेबल है। एक और सुविधा ये भी है, पूरा इग्नो का मटेरियल ऑनलाइन आपको वेबसाइट में मिल जाएगा, ई ज्ञान कोश में, और क्लासेस भी ऑनलाइन होगा। और एक खुशी खबर ये है कि हमने ये बीए में मराठी में भी काउंसलिंग क्लासेस चालू किया है रिसेंटली। जो नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 है उसी के हिसाब से इग्नो ने पालन किया और हम पूरा 12 रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में क्लासेस चालू किया है ऑनलाइन। आप जानते हैं कि ज्ञान दर्शन एक टीवी चैनल है, हर केबल नेटवर्क में मिल जाते हैं, वो फ्री है, और उसी को आप ये यूज कर सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं। शेड्यूल आपको वेबसाइट में मिल जाएगा। और स्टडी सेंटर में काउंसलिंग क्लासेस होगा यदि थिंग्स बिकम नॉर्मल, कोविड का कम हो जाए तो। और ये कोविड टाइम में बहुत सारी चीज ऑनलाइन हो गया है। ये ऑनलाइन में ये सुविधा है कि आप पहले तो आप नागपुर में होगा तो नागपुर स्टडी सेंटर का क्लासेस सुनते थे, अभी तो आप ऑनलाइन होने की वजह से आप मुंबई पुणे एक्सपर्ट्स का भी लेक्चर सुन सकते हैं। और मुंबई पुणे ही नहीं है, महाराष्ट्र का ही नहीं है, आप हैदराबाद का, चेन्नई का, कलकत्ता का, दिल्ली का, हर एक का लेक्चर आप सुन सकते हैं। और हमारा इग्नो रीजनल सेंटर नागपुर भी अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज ऑनलाइन करते रहते हैं हम। आप हमारा फेसबुक में भी टच में रहिए, आरसी वेबसाइट में, और यूट्यूब चैनल भी है उसी में भी देखते रहिए। और वी आर हियर टू सपोर्ट योर लर्निंग डिजायर टू स्टडी फर्दर। तो हम आपके साथ रहेंगे एंड यू प्लीज लिसन टू दी सेशन कंटिन्यूअसली। एंड ये सेशन में आप क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ सकते हैं यदि आपको कुछ डाउट्स होगा तो। डॉक्टर वेंकटेश्वर लू एंड माय अदर कोलीग डॉक्टर शशि कुमार विल हेल्प यू टू sort out your queries. So I wish you all the best. Be in touch with us. Thank you very much. Venkat, please carry on.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving a brief introduction about IGNO and the learners. So I request all the learners, please introduce yourself. Then only our colleague Dr. Shesh Kumar will take the session. Now I request all the participants, please introduce yourself one by one. Don't get confused. Just you can open your mic and after that you try to give your introduction, your name, your program and your study center and your medium and what is the purpose of induction meeting and what is your aim for the IGNO. Just try to give brief details, then only we carry on. Hello friends, please open your mic and you try to speak.
Hello. Good
Hello.
morning, sir. Myself,
morning.
Prajakta Bansor. And I have applied for the course English Honors.
Okay.
And my regional study center is Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University.
Hello.
Hello,
friends.
sir.
Carry on.
My name
Hello.
is Sakshi Avtade, and I am to admit.
बोलिए साक्षी.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
My name is Sakshi Avtade, और मैंने एडमिशन लिया है बीए इन पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कोर्स में.
कौन सा स्टडी सेंटर है आपका?
अमरावती संत गाडगे बाबा यूनिवर्सिटी।
सर
सर मेरी बुक्स नहीं आई अभी तक, सिर्फ 3 बुक्स आई है।
ओके। Anyone?
No, it's just an interaction to know your friends that overall joined with you and from where you are. Like it's like just an interaction. Don't hesitate to be say about you. We need only name, your program which you have been joined, and from where you are. These are only 3 information that can be given to us. Therefore, others also have to know that you have joined with the program. Yeah. Only 2 of you have come forward now. There are 20.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, sir. Pranav this side. I'm Pranav Prashant Rakwar. I've applied for BA Honors in Sociology, and my study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan, and I'm from Wardha, Maharashtra, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am myself Gunjan Shahu.
Gunjan.
I have enrolled for BA Public Administration Honors. My study center is Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Udaipur, Nyadi,
Okay.
Nagpur.
सेवादल महिला महाविद्यालय.
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Bhavya Magnani, and I've applied for BA English Honors, and my regional center is Guru Nanak Bhavan.
Your study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan, regional center Nagpur. Simi.
Good morning, sir. My name is Simi Posta, and I am applying for BA English Honor, and my regional center is Guru Nanak Bhavan.
Good. Carry on.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Hello, sir. I am Sarang Kalambe. I have applied for BA Political Science Honors. My study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan and regional center is Nagpur. I am from Savner, Maharashtra.
Very good. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir. Myself, Maithili Paranspe. I have taken admission in BA Economics Honors, and my regional center is Nagpur, and center is Guru Nanak Bhavan.
Okay. Okay, Maithili ji.
Okay.
Hi sir, this is Harsh Raghuti. I have joined BA Honors in Political Science, and my regional center is Guru Nanak Bhavan. And my study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan and regional center is Nagpur.
Got it. Okay, you understand now. Okay.
Good morning, sir. Myself Suyash Durawat. I am from Karanjalad. I am enrolled my admission in BA English Honors. My study center is Sant Gadge Baba University, Amravati, and my regional center is Nagpur. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tejaswini, and I have applied for BA English Honors, and my study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan.
Good.
Fine, madam. Any more?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, Rakshita ji.
My name is. I applied for BA in English Honors. My study center is Pratibha Niketan Mahavidyalaya, Nanded. I live in Maharashtra.
Nanded.
Good morning, sir. My name is Keshan Azmi.
Yeah.
My regional center is Guru Nanak Bhavan, Nagpur.
Okay.
And I've applied for BA English Honors.
Fine.
Good morning, sir. Myself Sandesh Ramteke.
Yeah, good morning, Sandesh.
I applied for BA Political Science. My regional center is Sevadal College. And study center is Sevadal College and the regional center is Nagpur.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So myself Dal Singh, and I have applied for BA Honors Political Science Honors. My study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan and regional center is Nagpur.
Great.
Okay, fine.
Completed.
Almost all the participants are already introduced. So now I request our colleague Dr. Shesh Kumar, please speak about induction meeting, sir.
Yeah, very good morning, yeah. At the outset, let me thank our regional director and Dr. Venkatesh Sir, our assistant regional director, for organizing this induction meeting. I also thank partner functionaries of IGNOU Study Center 1607 who have joined along with this for this induction meeting. At the outset, I congratulate each one of you for choosing IGNOU for your higher studies. As you are aware, that IGNOU is one of the world's largest open university, which is offering the program from certificate to PhD. You join for BA honors program there. You know that this is a semester-based program. You will be having 6 semesters, so you will be knowing it, and then you're also clear now that what is your regional center and what is your study center. Study center is the place where you can with, and then you will be getting the academic support from your study center, and all your academic support will be transacted from the study center. That is, you know that your study center code is 1607 if you have been joined with attached with Nanak Bhavan. And you will be knowing your study center code. So that is your study center. And we are the regional. We are from the regional center side. Regional centers we have, you know that one. In IGNOU, 57 regional centers are there throughout the nation. In Maharashtra, we have 3 regional centers. One is there in Mumbai, and second in Pune, and third one is Nagpur. So this is one of your regional center. Your regional center code is 36. You will be knowing it. Okay, this because everything is coding over here in IGNOU, and you should know what is your like for each and everything what is the code and what you have to be entered over there in your application forms or whatever it is. And the purpose of the induction meeting is to make you to understand that how like the technical jargons which is involved there in the system. You all might be coming from the conventional mode. Probably you might not be having experiences there in the business education. That was the reason that we used to be having induction meeting. Induction meeting is nothing but the first meeting with the learners, and there you will be having interaction with your academics, that is from the regional center side, and your coordinator from the study center and the academic counselors, the faculty members from the study centers will be over there in the meeting, and you can have interaction with them, and then you can have interaction with your peer learners who joined for the program. Due to COVID, we have been organizing this meeting through online, and now we are joining with the online program. And whoever joined, you will be coming to know like which is your study center. If you want to be know that, no, like you are not having an idea about which center is attached with. What you can be do, you can go to the IGNOU website. Once you go to IGNOU website, you can be find a place called the student zone where you can be click your student zone. Once you click the student zone, there you can be find the registration details. There you can see your registered courses. Like you can be whatever your once you click that one, you have to be enter your enrollment number, which is 10-digit number given over there in your ID card. Hope you all might be downloaded your ID card. Abhi online mein hai, like everyone might be download your ID card. In case if you have any difficulties to be download your ID card, let us know. You can send a mail to us. We will guide you, or we can send you the ID card to you. If you see the ID card, your enrollment number is given over there. It's a 10-digit number. Please remember that number because that is the unique number given to you to be communicate with the regional center for any interaction that we are having with the regional center. Communicate with the regional center. You have to mention your enrollment number and then the program, like the degree which you have been joined. You are saying that BA honors in psychology, sociology, public administration, whatever program you have been joined, that we call as a program. So for each program, you will be having a code, and you know about the code which have been joined for the program. Some example, BA ECH is one program code, and like you have a BA SOH, BA PSH. These are all the program code which have been joined for. So whichever program you have been joined, there will be a code. You please get the program code that you have to be enter over there in the reception. Your enrollment number and even program code. CAPTCHA will be asked over there, and then you have to be type the CAPTCHA. Once you given this information there in the registration details, your home page will be opening over there, and there you see your name. First thing what you have to see, you have to see your name and surname. If any mistake is there, like let us know. You can send a mail to regional center. Our email ID is rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. You can send a mail with the supporting documents. We will go through, we will verify it, and then we will change if anything name to be corrected. We will correct the name. Whether name or surname, whatever it is, if any changes to be made, let us know. You send a mail to us, so we will be change that one. And there, you see that one. What are the courses have been registered? Sorry. Whatever courses have been registered, that also given over there. I can suggest you that before start your program, what you have to do, you have to be download the program guide, which is available there in the Google or eGyanKosh. You can be, go at that IGNOU website or eGyanKosh, or even you can type your program code plus program guide. If you type it there in the Google plus IGNOU, if you type it over there in the Google, you can get a program guide. Please go through the program guide. There you will be having the entire information, because it's a new system to you all. अभी तक आपको conventional university में इसमें experiences हो सकता था, but this is the first time you will be joining over there in the distance education. So you have to be understand the courses, like what is courses or what are the courses are there, how you have to be choose your secondary courses, like what is the classification, what are the categories are there, what is compulsory courses, discipline specific elective courses like generic elective. All these courses are what, these are the courses you have to choose, like what is credit system. Every information is given over there in the program guide. You please go through it. You will be get an overall idea about the program which you have joined. So that gives a brief introduction about your program. Almost all the information will be there. And when you have to submit, you will be having assignments. How to write assignments, every information will be given over there, where you have to submit your assignments. Every information will be given over there in the program guide. Please go through the program guide, that will help you. So that is one thing I just want to be inform you all. And you are attached in the study centers. The study centers will, once this induction meeting is over, they will prepare a counseling schedule. Okay, the counseling schedule will be prepared and sent to you all through your mail. So please update your mail IDs if you have any problem there with your email, or if you didn't get your emails from us, you please update from us. Therefore, you will be getting all the communication will be sent through mail only, and sometimes you will also getting SMS. So you depend on the emails. And apart from that, all the counseling schedule which we are having it will be uploaded there in the RC Nagpur website. So you also follow RC Nagpur website for updated information. To get the updated information, you please follow our RC Nagpur website. Also, as our regional director was telling that we will be having a lot of social media platform. Like we have a platform like in Facebook, Twitter, we have Telegram, we have. Please try to be joined in the Telegram group to get updated information. And Facebook, you please follow RC Nagpur Facebook. There also you can get information. This is all about the basic things. We would like to inform you. Whatever administrative support you want to be get it from the university, you can be right to the regional center. We will here to support you. And your counseling classes, like now the classes will be through only online. Try to be attend all the classes. Though it is not compulsory to be attend the classes, we will be trying to be have the classes. It is not necessary to be attend only. Now, as regional director also telling that, now their advantage is that for all the learners is that no, it is not necessary to attend the only classes of our study center which you have been attached with. In case if you missed any classes, sorry, which has been scheduled by the study center, what you can be do those courses in other RCs also the classes are going on. So you can be go through their website and get the link over there and try to attend the classes of even other study centers also. So this is what about the counseling. Generally, you cannot expect here a full-time face-to-face teaching will not be here. Here, the teaching methodology will be entirely different. You have to be steady on your work, because You will be away from the institutions. You will not be having a close contact with the faculty members or with the institutions. Therefore, we advise you that you please go through the study material which is given to you. Hope you all might be received a study material. In case you didn't receive a study material, you can send a mail to Registrar MPDT. You will be getting a material soon. Probably you might be received it. Or also use our eGANCO study materials. Like already materials are available at free of cost. You can download the materials from the eGANCO and then start read your material. Or even you can be download an app called IGNOU eContent that also can be downloaded on your mobile and start read the material now. Its material is very easy to be understand. It's not much difficult to be understand the concept. It's very given very easily. And if you see that the materials are very structured in manner, so you will be having a introduction and then like it starts with a summary introduction and then ends with the conclusion of the program, like of each course. So it will be easy to be understand if you go through the sorry. If you go through the materials, you comes to know that it's not much difficult to be understand it. It is like we call it as a self-instructional material. Matlab like there will be some teachers will be there inbuilt teachers will be there to be explaining properly. That means the materials are very easy to be understand. That is one thing I would like to tell you. And you will be having four courses there in a semester, and 4 assignments you have to submit at the study center. Like each course you have to submit 1 assignment. Assignment should be there in handwritten, and submit the assignment, hard copy of assignment at the study center. This is what we have been expecting from the learners. You have to be prepare assignments and neatly. Whatever questions is given over there, try to be give the assignment responses properly. And wherever examples are required, please give examples. Wherever like you need a definition, please give definition for it, because almost most of you are from the social science background. Generally in social sciences, like we expect that the definitions like already which are given by the various people that can be referred, that will give weightage to you. So these are the things, basic things you have to be like keeping ensure that while writing your assignment responses to be mentioned there in the assignment responses. So that is one thing from our side to be tell you about the assignment to be submitted at the study center. The session is supposed to be start in the month of August or September. Due to COVID was delayed, and admission was been now we have been taken it now, and you will be having your first year exam. Like your first year exam will be there in the month of June, for which you have to be apply in the month of March 2022. You have to be like another 2 months. You have to be apply for your examination for first year, and you also have to go for your re-registration of second year there in the month of April. So these 2 things you have to be do it right now. Maybe in the month of March, you have to submit your assignment at the study center and apply for your examination for your first year courses. And for your second year re-registration, you have to be do whether you have been appearing for the examination or not. That is, you can be go for your second year re-registration in the month of April. And likewise, you have to be for the third year 2023. You have to go for your April 23. You have to go for your third year re-registration, and second year courses can be submit. Second year courses assignments can be submitted there in the month of March 2023 at your study center. And the same way, the March you can keep it in your mind for your applying for examination and submitting of assignments. In case you are not able to give your exam by June, so which is like for 1 year. After 1 year, you can give exams anytime. Like IGNOU used to conduct the exams twice in a year, one in the month of June, and second exam will be there month of December. So once you miss, like you are not able to give your exam by June 2022, you can give your first year exams by December 2022. That flexibility is given over there. Like you have your own choice to give the exams, and the exams anywhere in India you can be give. It is not necessary to be give only at your study center where you have been attached with, or only with the regional center where you have been applied for attached with. So you can be give your exams anywhere in India. Only thing is that you have to be choose the exam center wherever you want to give your exam, like regional center and the exam center which is nearer to you where you want to give the examination. That is one advantage given to the learners. And another flexibility is given there system is that you can change your regional centers even at any point of time. You will be having a maximum period. So you can change your residence center or you can change your study center at within your maximum period. That flexibility is given to all the learners. And if you see that once you submit the assignment, that assignment marks will be valid for your maximum validity period. So whatever maximum validity is that once you submit the assignment, that will be carried out for your entire period of your study. So this is about the assignments, and then examinations. Examination once in a year, I was telling to you. And the assessment will be having, IGNOU follows three assessments will be there. One is self-assessment, is nothing but there will not any marks. Only to check your progress. Like IGNOU has a component called self-assessment. If you go through study material or the last, last of the unit, you will be having a questions will be there. The self-assessment questions will be there. You can assess yourself that how you are progressing there in the study. So that you comes to know from your self-assessment. And second will be continuous assessment. Continuous assessment is nothing but the assignments which you are submitting to the study center, which evaluated by the academic counselors. Academic counselors, nothing but the faculty members of the colleges. All these study centers are in the reputed institutions where renowned persons like faculty member hai, wo hamara academic counselor hai. So they will guide you how you are performing on your attendance assignments. Everything will be tutor comments will be given over there. Therefore, you will be understand that how you are progressing there in your assignments. So that is a second component. And third assignment, third will be a term examination. It is nothing but the final examination where it goes to the external members. They will evaluate and put the marks. So each for continuous assessment, that means assignments you will be having a weightage. Around 30% will be weightage will be given over there. You will be getting 30 marks easily from the assignments, and 70% marks will be there for the 70% weightage will be given to the attainment examination. Therefore, you will be having a two mark component, one in the assignments which are writing on your own, and from the attainment examination which also weightage will be given over there. Then therefore easily you can complete your program, and you have a lot of flexibilities there in system. You comes to know all the things when you go through the program guide. I request all of you to please go through your program guide to understand the program properly. That is all from my side, and all the best. All the best. We are here to support you. Anytime you can be in touch with us. You can call to the regional center and inform us. And until unless you share your feedback to us, we will not be knowing that how we are performing it. So always you are welcome to be send the feedback to a regional center. And you can also contact through our landline number which is given there in this IGNOU Arts Nagpur website. I thank Dr. Venkateswara sir, and I thank all the learners who are joining us for this induction meeting today. And thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for giving induction meeting details. So the induction meeting is very, very important. How to complete their program within a minimum duration. So you may be already completed all the points. So friends, I wanted to present one presentation for induction meeting. So I will continue. So hello friends, good morning to one and all. Welcome to the session on the importance of induction meeting in a model system. So I'm very much thankful to each and every participant for joining IGNOU as a program holders. So IGNOU is one of the mega university in the world. So it is started in the year of 1985. Professor G. Ram Reddy Garu, he was established this program in this university. So at that time we have only two programs. One is diploma in distance education, and another one is mathematics diploma. So according to that, only two programs we have that so that programs we have only 600 learners. Now sir was already explained. So nearly 70 lakhs already joined. nearly 4 million already awarded. So it is very big university. So this induction meeting is very, very important. So importance of induction meeting. I'd like to congratulate each and every participant for getting admission into IGNOU. You have choose right path and right direction for selecting IGNOU as your career institute, which provides world-class quality material and education to you. The meaning of induction meeting is that you should interact with your colleagues, academic counselors, study center staff, regional center staff, and getting uh, counseling schedules, practical schedules, mobile numbers, and email IDs, and other phone numbers. So that should be very, very important. You need to interact with the colleagues as well as regional center staff and study center staff. Our phone numbers are already available in our IGNOU RC Nagpur website. So you need to check that IGNOU Regional Center website, Nagpur website, that is www.rcnagpur.acn. ये हमारा वेबसाइट है. ये वेबसाइट में आप स्टाफ मेंबर्स का पूरा मोबाइल नंबर्स, ईमेल आईडीज आप ले सकते. ये that is very, very important. You need to contact the regional center staff as well as study center staff. The counseling schedules may be taken place. The COVID pandemic situation, it will continue. Every day we have nearly 2 lakhs COVID cases arise. So that is the reason you need to interact with the counselors as well as your study center staff and regional center staff. You need not go anywhere, just you follow the guidelines. So the counseling schedules may be conducted through online only. The induction meeting also we are conducting only online mode. So that is the pandemic situation. So we try to provide all the services through online only. So the pandemic situation may be removed from the society automatically. We will conduct the offline sessions. Offline sessions, you need to interact with the offline sessions at that time. So you need to go to the study center and attend the counseling session through offline mode. So that was not available now. So the pandemic situation will continue. Every day we have nearly 2 lakhs COVID cases in our India. So that is the situation. We try to provide all the services through online only. So BA and other programs may be conducted only counseling sessions. You don't have any practical sessions. That is the reason you try to interact with the counseling sessions. The counseling schedules may be prepared by study center and try to provide through your mail as well as your SMS services. So you try to follow the each and every aspect. So that is the situation. So IGNOU students are very heterogeneous background. Livelihood is more important rather than learning. They have a lot of responsibilities, that is family, job, business, agriculture, and other problems. So according to that, you need to complete your studies. You are very much busy with your livelihood, family, and job, and other business and other agricultural activities. That is the reason. So our learners are heterogeneous background. So they don't know about the distance mode of education. That is the situation. You need to interact with the study center staff as well as regional center staff, and also you need to interact with the colleagues. Then only you maybe get the full awareness about the distance education. After that, you try to interact with each and every colleague. Then only you will complete your program within a minimum duration. That is the reason we try to conduct this induction meeting. So if you attend the induction meeting, you will know about your program and presentation of preparation of assignments, submission of RR. RR means registration for second year, and also online term and examination application and assignments, where to submit and when you need to submit the assignments, as well as practical exams. The practical exams, after completion of your practical concentrations, you may attend the practical exams. So the practical exams are very, very important, and it should be mandatory, and you need to put up minimum 75% of attendance, then only you will eligible. Otherwise, you will not eligible for attending the practical exams. The practical exams will be conducted in the after completion of your exams. So sometimes it may be taken before completion of your exam also. So according to the study center availability, and they will conduct the practical exams also. So some of the programs have the practicals. It is very, very mandatory, and you need to interact with each and every participant, and you need to interact with the regional center as well as study center. That is the importance of induction meeting. So the prominent features of IGNOU. So already I was explained. So it was already started in 1985. It is one of the largest university. We have nearly 30 to 40 sessions. 30 to 40 study centers in abroad. So that is the reason you try to get the admission into IGNOU. It is very famous university, and students, very, very large number of students have joined in our IGNOU. So in the pandemic situation, last 2 years means 2020 and 21. So it is very, very difficult situation in the present society. So the pandemic situation will continue up to today. So according to that, the distance mode of education is one of the best education system. So the regular colleges, universities, or conventional mode of education system will not take in place. So that is the reason everyone ready to take the admission into distance mode of education. So the IGNOU is provided distance mode of education, and world-class education is at your doorstep. So already you may get the material. That material is very, very useful. Some of the learners may not be reach the material, so they will easily get that material within a month. So before that, you need to go for the IGNOU e-Gnan course. So that is one of the study material library. So the Hindi medium, English medium also available. So some audio lectures and video lectures also available. So you try to open the IGNOU e-Gnan course app that is available in our IGNOU website. So that column you need to open. After that, you can introduce your personal details, and you need to provide your user ID and password. After that, the IGNOU e-Gnan course will open, and then only you try to find out the program. After that, you can click on that. Automatically, how many courses you have, then that material will be available. Just you can open it, and after that you download the material. That material you need to keep one folder. So that is very much helpful for preparation of your assignment as well as your term and examinations. So Sheshkumar sir already explained. So that assignments and term and examinations also, that material also available. So so you try to keep up that material in your mobile as well as your desktop or laptop. So that is very much useful. So you try to do that. After that, you try to register for second year. So that is very, very important. So that is also one of the important aspect. You try to do the registration for second year. So in the conventional mode of education, you may not go for the online registration or offline registration. Your candidature will be carry forward automatically. So in the conventional mode, you need not do anything. But in the distance mode, you need to apply for the registration and also pay the payment through payment gateways. That is only online mode. The registration application is available. So you may be joined in July session, July 21. So the July session will be need to fulfill your registration for January 22 session. So at that time, you need to do the registration. So the link is available in your IGNOU website. Just you go for the online registration. After that, you can open and you need to enter your program code as well as your enrollment number. Then after you open the registration link, then you do the second year registration. So after that, you need to pay the online payment. So for the first year, you may introduce your personal details. After that, you will open the IGNOU website and you need to do the online application. After that, you pay the program fee. So same process will be continued for the second year registration. So these are the admissions. We have 2 cycles of admissions for a year. One is the January session and another one is July session. You are already joined in July session. You may be appear the term and examination in June 22. For that, the online application need to fill the online application for term and examinations. So the December session already postponed due to pandemic situation. So this December session already over. So at that time, the December exams will be conducted in the month of January 20 onwards. So that was also extended. So due to pandemic situation, the COVID will take in place. The third wave also continue. That is the reason the December exams postponed. So it will be after pandemic situation. It may be conducted. So the third wave is very, very fast. So every day nearly 2 lakhs people may be affected. So that is the reason the exams are postponed. You need to do that. So after that, you need to apply for the registration as well as your online exam form. These are the 2 important tasks. And third one is the submission of assignment. That is also very, very important. So sir was already explained. So the assignment component have the 30% weightage for the degree and master degree programs. So only 25% weightage for the certificate programs. I request all the participants, please take one admission in the certificate program simultaneously. You are already joined in BA or some other program. So at that time, you need to take the one certificate programs also. So UGC already given their approval. So simultaneously, you can do your degree along with one certificate program, not a diploma. So only certificate is available. So the certificate you need to complete. You are become a degree holder within 3 years. Along with you need to complete minimum 2-3 certificate programs. The certificate program is add-on program, and it should be available. So the January 22 session is already started. So the 31st January is the last date. It may be extended. So I request all of you, please take one certificate program along with your degree that is available. So UGC also given the approval. So there is no big issue. Certificate program is only 16 credits. So 16 credits means you need to complete within 6 months. Every 6 months you need to complete that certificate program. So for the 3 years you may get additional qualifications for 6 certificate programs. So you think over that. After that, degree, every person got the degree. So in convention mode or distance mode, whatever it is. So the additional qualification may be acquired by you with doing one certificate program for every 6 months. That is the additional qualification. So for the sake of any job opportunity, you maybe appear the interview, so automatically you will get the additional weightage. So you have degree along with some of the certificates. That is very, very useful for getting job opportunity. So compared to others, you may be very strengthened and additional qualification. That is very much helpful for getting job. So that is the reason you try to join one certificate program for any for every 6 months. Automatically you will get it. So that is the reason I request all the participants, please join some of the certificate programs. You are being a degree holder, so it may be general degree, BA or BCom or BSc. It is a very general degree. So according to some certificates, it may be useful. Some CIT program, CCIT SK program, and CFE program, C-based program. These are the certificate programs, very, very useful, and it is very knowledgeable and practical. So you join CCIT SK program. So that is a computer skills and IT skills. That is one of the best program. So you have some computer knowledge. Once you complete that program, automatically you become a computer operator or assistant or desktop assistant or any other computer related job will be offered through that. So once you complete your degree as well as this certificate programs, so that is very much useful for getting a job. So general degree, no one ready to provide the job opportunity, one certificate program or diploma program or a PG diploma program may be taken place, automatically you will get the job opportunity. That is the condition. You try to join some other certificate programs, then only you will get the job. And you belongs to Hindi medium or Marathi medium, you may join some CFE program, certificate in functional English. That is also one of the best program. You try to develop your language skills, automatically you will get the job. That type of certificate programs also available, or certificate in business skills also. Everyone doing business in the streets of city, so you try to get the some certificate from the business skills. Automatically you will know about the how to develop the business and what are the important tasks you need to complete, and how to get the permission, and how to do the state level business or national level business, as well as international business. So this type of knowledge you will be getting through that certificate program. So according to your degree, you may join some of the certificate programs. That is very, very useful for getting job opportunities. So you may get the additional qualification. That is the reason you do it. And another thing, study material. Already study material so study material is one of the best material throughout the world. So some of the university also adopted our material. So that is the reason you try to get it good material. So many renowned scholars or professors invited for preparation of material. So each and every lesson will take nearly 6 months. After that, the lesson will be edited by editorial board 5 to 6 times. After that, the material will go to the language experts. The language experts try to remove the odd words and odd contents. They try to incorporate easy and simple words. That is very much useful for understanding the material and content. So the material preparation is very, very important. That was edited by editorial board. The simple words will be incorporated by language experts. After that, the material will go to the printer. The printer will printing, and at that time, some half line pages and some of the misprint pages and double print pages may be removed by the builder, printer. So after that, they try to make the good pulp material and the registrar MPDD. So the registrar MPDD dispatch that material to your postal address. So according to that, they will provide quality material at your doorstep. So earlier the material will be posted IGNOU Regional Center. So that was already evaluation. So some of the material provided to study centers and regional centers. So that was already over. So the registrar MPDD will take the good initiation for providing the material through your postal address. The postman will be delivered to you at your door. After that, the material will reach to you. You need not keep in Almara or Ataka, whatever it is. So you need to open the every block. And of study and material, each and every page will have 2 margins. One margin you can utilize for the gist and idea of that particular para or page, and one side you need to note down some of the ununderstood contents, that means your doubts. So two sides you need to get the doubts and your gist. So that is very, very useful for preparation of your assignment as well as your terminal examinations. So at the time of counseling sessions, you try to ask your doubts through your counselor. So the counselor will be clarified your doubts automatically. The interaction will be taken place. So each and every learner may be asked some of the doubts. After that, so the interaction will be going on, and one can ask the doubt automatically. Every participant get the answer. That is very, very useful. Once you participate any debate, automatically that debate content will be rememberable. That is very, very useful for your preparation of your studies and assignment as well as your term and examination. So you try to do that. After that, one side you try to write the important idea or gist or aim of that particular page content. Then you note down some of the important aspects for second side of the page. Automatically the gist or points may be covered by you. That points will be written in your own words or in your own sentence. That is very, very useful. So for preparation of your assignments, so you need not copy from the material directly. So any sequence or principle may be copied by you, that is acceptable. And remaining things you need to write your own words as well as your own sentences. That is very, very helpful for preparation of your assignments. So if you copy from the material, automatically the evaluator may be observed. That should be very objectionable, and they will give the 0 marks at the evaluation. So you maybe get 0 marks. That means you need to wait another 6 months. The same session will not accepted for a second time assignment. So you need not submit again in the same session. You need to wait 6 months. After that coming session, you need to prepare assignment in well manner. After that you can submit. So if you fail in assignments, that is the condition. So you need not copy from the material as well as your friends assignments, and some of the material available through internet, that is also not acceptable. So you try to prepare your own way and your own sentence, then only you can prepare it, and after that you can show your rough draft to your academic counselors. After that you need to get some guidance from academic counselors, then only you go for the fair printing or fair draft. Then you need to spiral with that assignment copies. Then only you need to submit your assignments at your study center, not regional center, not any other. Just you can submit your assignments on or before due date. That is for June session. You are already joined in July session. Coming June session, you may be allowed for the terminal examinations in June. So for that, you need to submit your assignments on or before 31st March 2022. So that is your deadline. You need to prepare assignment responses in your own sentence or your own words. Then only you try to submit on or before that due date. So that is also one of the important tasks. These 3 important tasks you need to complete. Then only your candidature will be carried forward for the second year, and your result will be coming with good class. Good class means first class or second class, whatever it is. So higher first class. So the assignment component is given 30% weightage, and the remaining 70% will come through term and examinations. That is very useful. So once you prepare your own words with your assignments, automatically the experience is very useful for preparation of term and examinations. If you got the good marks in assignments, automatically you get the good marks in term and examinations. So the term and examination questions may not be expected by anyone. So the examiner may be asked each and every corner of that subject. That subject will be covered by evaluator, exam paper setter. So automatically they will ask each and every corner of the subject, and they will cover each and every point. So the term and examination questions are not able to expect anyone. So at that time, you try to thoroughly prepare, then only you will get the good marks. Automatically the assignments may be given 30% weightage. That 30% weightage, that 30% weightage will already you got it, and 30% marks within your hand. The term and examinations also very vast. Hello. Friends, sorry for the disturbance. So the 30% weightage marks will be in your hand. So remaining 30% or 35% you will get from the term and examination. The 50% of questions may be expected from the examinations. So every paper setter will be looking the three type of answers. One is average people, and first one is clever student, second one is average, and third one is below average. The questions may be asked by examiner. So the below average and average will be expected. So that is very easy, and the clever students may be know about the answer. So remaining 50% will be asked by the examiner for the clever students. So they maybe one time reading is enough for them, and writing also same. So automatically they are getting good knowledge. So they will answer each and every nook of that particular area. So they try to provide it. It is not a big issue. So they are the very clever student. They try to give the answers, and remaining 50% will comes average and below average. So the average questions may be asked by the examiner. That should be expected anyone. So a little bit tough. So that is you may be answered, and below average questions also coming in very light and easy questions. So 50% marks may be get it through term and examinations. So altogether you may get the 50 plus 50% means 35 marks in the term and examination, 30% of assignment weightage, both will be added, and automatically you will get the 65%. That means you are passed in first class. So according to that, you maybe get it. So the assignment responses preparation is very important. If you prepare well manner, automatically that experience will be helpful for the term and examinations also. That experience is very much useful for getting good marks in the term and examinations also. So automatically our result will be high. So most of the learners maybe got the first class or distinction and above distinction also. Some of the learners maybe get 80% or 85% also. So they are very clever. They try to give good answers. So average students also ready to pass, and they are also getting 50% marks in the term examinations, and 30% weightage will be given to them, and automatically they are also passing first class. So that is the main theme of that particular programs. So after that, the counseling sessions also conducted through online only, not offline. So you need to interact with them, and assignments also already explained. So you need to give your own words and how to prepare the assignments. These are the slides. So that slides will be sending through your emails. So that's not a big issue. We try to send it. Each and every slide you need to read out thoroughly. After that, you need to follow all the instructions. So that is very, very important. So try to see, these are the slides. So each and every slide, it may be very, very important. You need to do the all the aspects, then only you will complete your program. Thank you one and all for giving good opportunity to me. So this session is open for the discussion. If you have any doubts, please ask to me, as well as our colleague Shish Kumar also available. We try to clarify your doubts, and this session is open for the discussion. Please.
Hello, sir. I'm Pranav Prashandavar. I'm currently pursuing my BA honors in sociology from IGNOU. Study center is Nagpur, Guru Nanak Bhavan. So the question I had is because I'm currently also pursuing my masters in an in a college that is in Tamil Nadu. So I'm doing my masters also, and I wanted to complete a bachelor's. That's the reason I applied for a distance program. But the problem is, sir, that my college is in Tamil Nadu, and if I have to write my examinations and I have to submit, assignments and everything, how will I be, able to do it? Because I tried calling to the, number of Guru Nanak Bhavan a lot of times, but they don't pick up the call actually. So that's the problem, sir. So should I change the study center?
That is the reason.
Yes, sir. No, sir. What I was telling you, what I'm asking actually, should I change my study center? Is it required for me to change my study center for writing the examination, or I can continue by studying in Nagpur itself?
See, no need to change your study center. It's like no need to change your study center. Like if you want to be give exams there in Chennai, you have to be choose the regional center code as Chennai regional center code. You can be choose, and then you can give the you can choose the exam center which is nearest to you. So this option is available there during while applying for your examination. You have to be ensured that to choose the regional center where you are going to be appear for your examination. Okay. First thing. Second is the exam center code which you have to choose, which is nearer to your place where you've been residing. So these two things you have to be, check it out. And until unless it is necessary, you are entirely shifting from here to Nagpur to different state or different districts. In that case, you can change your regional center and then study center. It's only temporary stay. You are going out for a certain period. Then you can no need to be change your study center and then regional center.
Yes, and actually, sir, actually Nagpur, I live in Varda only, sir, so it's really very near to me, just an hour drive. The problem is yes, sir, I'm studying in Trichy right now. I'm studying my master's in environmental sciences in Bharathidasan University. So the nearest is the Bishop Harbor College. So they have an IGNOU study center, sir. The problem only was that exams and all, because if I have exams of masters also at the same time, and at the same time I have IGNOUs, and it will be a clash, sir. That was the only problem, sir.
Pranavji, yeah, I understand. I really appreciate your questions also. Like what I was telling that, yes, don't worry about your where you are from. You are from Varda. Don't worry about that. Now, anyway, it's all going to be happen. The only online classes, and apart from that, we're also having a lot of videos. Like video lectures are there in the YouTube. If you go to the IGNOU website, you can find the IGNOU YouTube channel. There you can find all the courses, counseling materials are available over there. Only for the examination, you don't need to change your center. That's what I mean to say. To give only for your examination, don't change your study center and then don't change your regional center. You can give your, you can choose the exam regional center as Madurai. Okay, Madurai exam regional center will be your Madurai regional center, and then exam center is there in Tirchi, whichever is center code is there. You can choose their exam center code, and then you can give your exam there in Tirchi itself.
Okay, sir. I got it, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Any other question like from the learners? See, you will not be having a chance to be interact with the academics of the regional center. So, whatever doubts which you are having with you just ask now, because you will
Sir,
be different.
Sir, we have to pay for re-registration also.
Yes, for second year you have to retain yourself there in the system. Okay, you see your minimum period is 3 years and your maximum period is 6 years for all this BA honors program. Okay, to retain yourself there in the system, you have to go for re-registration of second year. Unless you re-register yourself, that you will not be in the system. So therefore, you are.
Sir, when we have to re-register us?
You have to be go for re-registration there for second year there in the month of April. The link will be open there in the month of April. You have to go to the IGNOU website. If you go there, online support, there you can see re-registration. So there you have to be go for re-registration of your second year. Okay, that is there in the month of April 2022 for your second year and April 2023 for your third year.
Sir, can I change my study center into Pune from Amravati?
Yes, you can change your regional center as well as your study center. You have to give a request to the regional center Nagpur to change your regional center from Nagpur to Pune. We will transfer the records to Pune and then you will be attached with the Pune center.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when I get all the books of public administration?
You can right now you can use the materials like from the e-Gyankosh. You will be getting study material. In case you wait for a month, you didn't get the material, please do write a mail to Registrar MPDD by mentioning your name, enrollment number and program code and the issue. If you have received only 2 courses material for 2 courses, you leave that 2 courses. Remaining 3 courses you can mention and says that you didn't receive the material for those 3 courses. Okay, you can send a mail to the Registrar MPDD after a month.
Sir, assignments for BA EGH aren't available on the website.
Yes. So the assignment question papers are available there on the website. Only thing you have to be ensured that the assignment should be for the current session. For you, the examination will be there in the month of June 2022. Therefore, you have to be use the question paper which is for June 2022 examination. How do you know that one? If you go to the assignment question paper, you can find that date of submission. If it is mentioned as March 2022, last year submission of assignment is March 2022, then that question is valid for you.
So for the BA Sociology, they haven't uploaded the assignments, sir. So I checked it twice and thrice, but I couldn't find the assignments for BA Sociology honors, sir.
If it is find difficult to be getting the assignment questions from the IGNOU website, what you can do, you can type the course code, okay, of each course, and plus your assignment questions plus IGNOU. There in the Google plus 2022, if you type this keywords over there in the Google, you can go to the question paper. Even if you find any difficulties, let us know. You send a mail to RC Nagpur. We will download and send to you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
It is available there on the website. You can download on your own. If you have find any problem, you can be send a mail to us. We will send you. We will revert back to you.
Can you repeat this once again?
Yeah, the question papers are available there in the IGNOU website. Okay, you have to go to www.ignou.ac.in. If you open the IGNOU website, you can find the student zone. Okay, once you click the student zone, download will be there. Once you click the downloads, you can find the assignment question, like assignment page. Okay, there all the programs assignment question papers will be available over there. You have to be find your particular course codes of your particular program. Okay, if you have been joined for MBA SOH, you have to be search it for MBA SOH and find the courses over there. Download the question paper. Before opening the question paper, you see that whether the question paper is ensured for your particular semester or not. Okay, how do you know that one? If you go to the question paper, on the second page or third page, you can find that date of submission is mentioned as March 2022. Okay, then in that case, you have that question paper is valid for you. So you can be use that question paper for your June examination. Okay, in case if you find any difficulties to be download your assignment question paper, you can send a mail to RC Nagpur by mentioning your name, enrollment number and program code and the course code which you want which you are in need of question paper, assignment question paper. Then we will send it to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Any more questions? Any more questions? Sakshi?
No, sir.
Sakshi already raised their hand.
So one last
Okay,
question.
you can ask.
So are we so yes, sir. So
there
are we
is no
supposed to
problem.
visit? So are we supposed to visit the study center for any sort of document submission or something like that?
So at the time of consultations, we may visit that study center and we try to monitoring that consultations, the offline consultations when it will take in place, then only we will come and visit the study centers. So now it is only online mode. So that online mode consultations also monitored by us. So every consultations may be monitored. Sometimes it may be not happen due to some of the important task in the regional center. That is the reason we are unable to do that. So some of the consultations through online also monitored. There is no problem. If you have any doubts, any clarifications you want, then you can send your query through our mail ID, that is rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. That is our mail ID. You can send what are the queries and what are the problems with you. You can send it for your study purpose, not any other.
Sir, our exams will be conducted as semester patterns or yearly pattern?
Speak loudly.
Your exams will be
Ashwin.
though. See, if you see the program structure, it is semester-based program. However, your exams will be in a yearly mode, annually. Okay, exams will be conducted annually.
Thank you, sir.
Any more? Then we try to wind up this session. So I request all the participants. So we try to wind up this session. So I try to tell me. Do you have any questions? Automatically we will respond. Otherwise we try to wind up. So that is the reason we try to propose the out of that. Tell me.
Sir, can we get
Ask
a
your
recording
question.
of this? Can I get this recording, sir?
It may be available through YouTube. This session will be available through YouTube. Just you go for the YouTube, then only automatically the induction meeting details are available. Just you can open it. After that, you try to listen each and every content. After that, the PPT also available. We will send it. Do you have any doubt? Please send a mail to us. Mail ID is rcnagpur@igno.ac.in. rcnagpur@igno.ac.in. That is our mail ID. You can send it.
Okay, so if I will ask you that, sir, please send me the PPT, then you will be sending me. Or else you are not sending it
There is no problem. There is no problem. You can send any query, then we will give the reply within 1 or 2 days. You get it. There is no problem. Automatically, we will send the PPT all the participants and who are already joined in our IGNO, they will also get it. There is no problem. Whether they are attending or
classroom
not,
for this, like since we have this classroom, so do we have a proper class for this course? So that's why we will be able to, get all those information regarding updates and all. So can you tell me?
Monaji, yes, I really appreciate your questions. Like, first thing is that whatever induction meeting which we are having, it will be uploading there in the YouTube channel that you can be see. Even IGNO also, IGNO help is there. Like you can be go and subscribe that also. Like IGNO RC Nagpur YouTube channel also, you can subscribe it. And the counseling schedule, as we said, that counseling schedule, like that is lecture, the classes, like generally the face-to-face classes will be there on the weekends. But due to COVID, now the classes have been arranged through online. The counseling sessions, like we call it the counseling schedule. Okay, that is a timetable. Okay, counseling schedule will be prepared by the study center, and that will be uploaded there in the RC Nagpur website. Also, we will send you there in your email ID. You please be attend the counseling sessions when we schedule it and send to you. That is one thing. In case if you are not able to be attend the counseling classes which is arranged by your study center, you have a choice of attending the classes there in from other regional centers also, or even the school faculty members having the classes. They are organizing the classes through Gyan Darshan, and even there are IGNO help site is there. You can be YouTube channel is there. There also you can be find it out, or even you can see the materials there in the video contents materials available there in the eGyan course. There also you can watch the videos. So this is all about the counseling sessions. Anything else from Mona's side? Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Monaji. Thank you. Yes. Anything else? Any other learners wants to be ask something, certain questions from us? If you have any doubt, like
Sir,
yes.
when can we expect the classes to start?
Classes probably this month end, or after this Sankranti we'll be having it. Like we comes to know that how many students have been joined for the program, because now we have to work out like certain programs will be also having a combined counselings, including of RC Pune and Mumbai will be arranging the classes. If we have enough number of students, then we will be scheduled and sent to you. Let you know by third week of January.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Shashi sir, my question to you, can I ask you a question, sir?
Please, madam, please.
So actually I'm an in-service teacher. So the classes that are supposed to be held, would it be on weekends or would it be like, scheduled for the evenings?
Generally the classes will be scheduled only on the weekends. Okay. Certain times, like since it's online, we are also having it the evening hours, or it depends upon the number of learners and their interest. Okay. Generally the classes will be only on the weekends. I'll let you know.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry about it now. Now there is a big advantage there. Like you can be attend the classes there in other regional centers too. That if you don't worry about that, if you are not able to attend one session, you miss the one session classes, you can be covered up with other regional centers counseling sessions.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And yes, I again once again request, please download a program guide. You will get an entire information about the program which I've been pursuing it with IGNOU. That you have to do it. If you don't have any questions, maybe I request our Venkateswara sir to be wind up the session.
So you're not audible. So your mic is mute.
Okay. Sorry. So I would like to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Regional Center Nagpur and my own behalf of. So I would like to thank you each and every participant for providing good opportunity, and you may be joined. So you need to follow each and every aspect. After that, you need to complete your program within a minimum duration. I'm thankful to our regional director, Dr. P. Sivasarup sir. Please, sir was already explained. So now I thankful to our colleague, Dr. Shesh Kumar, for providing good interaction with the learners. Thank you very much, sir. And also I thank you our study center staff 1607 coordinator and assistant coordinator and Sharma sir. So I am very much thankful to you. So thank you each and every participant. Thank you one and all. The session is over.